एवरीवन। आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ आपको कुछ ऐसे प्राणायाम जिससे हम अपनी बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन लेवल इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Sit in any meditative posture. Place your right hand on your stomach, left hand on your chest. Close your eyes. Keep your spine straight. Now slowly inhale deeply, belly out. Exhale completely, belly in. Inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. Inhale, belly out. Exhale, belly in. Continue for 3 to 5 minutes. Sit in Sukhasana. From right hand, just make Vayu Mudra. Index finger, middle finger down, thumb down. Place your right thumb on your right nostril. Inhale slowly and deeply from left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left completely.
Close your ears with your index finger. Close your eyes slowly. Keep your spine straight. Now inhale deeply. Exhale with humming sound. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hari Om.